What make the collagen drips at Immaculate Beauty different from the other people?
So that's a really good question. Thanks for asking that. So basically, when it comes to our collagen IV drip, we make sure that we ask each and every question and the latest blood test report very professionally into, like, I really want to see what exactly the patient or the client is lacking in.
Okay.
एंड देन हम इसको इवेलुएट करते हैं, एनालाइज करते हैं, और जब हमारे पास कोई आता है तो वी हैव अ ट्रस्ट बॉन्डिंग एंड आई फील लाइक आई कैन पुट माई सेल्फ इन टू माई क्लाइंट्स शूज. सो वी हैव दैट स्पेशल bespoke, I would say, a very a special and luxurious sort of a combination where I'm looking at not only collagen but the other lacking vitamins, multivitamins, and whatever they're lacking in as well. And we make a specialized IV drip specially for that specific client.